Okay, right, here we are. You know where we are. North Quincy. They're doing shuttle buses, like he said. So let's see, we're going to try to check out all the elevators today. Here we go. Look at this, gates are open, just like you said. There's the escalator. And now we're walking over to the first elevator. I hope you're having fun today, buddy. It's really cool that I can track on Yima's phone exactly where you guys are. Alright, and here is the elevator. It's been a long time, buddy. I think you owe me a bunch of games of chess. I hit the down button. Oh, it's coming up. I can see it already. I didn't hear any noise though. Oh, just a chime. Okay. Going down to Plaza, as you know. What does P stand for? Platform. Okay, platform. I get it. This is a quick little elevator ride, just one floor. And all right, let's get out of here. And I'm gonna go try to check out some other elevators real quick. There's the signs. All right. Oh, this is what it says up here. Can you see that? Use shuttle for northbound service. Pretty nice. I think you guys have a nice weather in New York too. So I hope you guys have fun. Huh, where's the other elevator? Because it's down here. I'm gonna try to go up this. If I can't get up, if I can't find the elevator on this side, I'm gonna, I guess, I don't know what I'm doing.
What? Really? 100? Wait, what?
Looks like the escalator's broken. This looks like it's gonna be kind of a long video. Here we go. Here's an elevator. Let's see if this one works. And then there's the other one. So let's try this one. I bet this one works. Yep, it works. There's for lobby. Going up, and we'll check out the other elevator that should be down this way. But I have a feeling that those elevators do not work yet because it didn't look like they were going to fix them. But we'll find out. Alright, so there should be an elevator up here to our right, and then actually one off to our left. Huh, why is this closed? I don't know why these gates are not open, and the other ones are.
Use shuttle for northbound service.
Use shuttle for northbound service. Alright, here's the elevator that I do not think works. Or one of them. We'll check it out real quick. came on. That's good. Yep, yep, it's working. You were right, Ryan. I guess I should always know that you're pretty much always right if it has something to do with the MBTA, right, buddy? Alright. Going down the platform, and we'll go see if we can check out the other elevator that should be over that way now. There's some more signs. Oh, I don't know if I can, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna have to ride the elevator out. I mean, ride it back up, I think. Yeah, because we have to go over there. So I'm gonna ride the elevator back up. And we'll check it out, see if that one works. You guys are probably in New York in the city right by now. Hope you're having fun. And here we go. Alright, here's the last remaining elevator that has never been videoed by us in North Quincy MBTA. So if this one works, I'm actually just going to take it down and then the video will be done. But here we go. Here's the thing. If it lights up, I think that means it works. It lit up. Oh my gosh, it's working. All right. Okay, Ryan. I just did another triple elevator video for you. And I think you know why. I did it because you're my pal, buddy. Because whenever we hang out, we always seem to have a real fun time. I think you know that. Ever since you were a little baby, we've been really good friends. And that's it. Here we are. And you know, Popo's house is over there. Watch the elevator door close, and I will end the video. Alright, buddy, I'll talk to you later. I think this is the longest video I've ever made.